Hi everyone. Today we are presenting our final project presentation on customized mental health and well-being services. Uh, this is our team: Muhammad, Vijay, Mehdi, Vishnu, Ashmita, and moving forward, we got this project overview with introduction, design, approaches, results, and followed up by analysis, limitation, creativity, and innovation with references. And this is our client details and so the introduction. This Our goal is to create a website with different sort of services in it, and that can be easily accessible and usable with different sort of solutions in it and different sort of references leading to a good mental health service provider. Moving forward, this is our project diagram, which contains front end and back end. Some people are working on front end and some people are working on back end. So front end, we got a web page, and the back end, we got the database. So we'll just discuss it in upcoming slides. So the design approach is simple. We got align methodology with the performance capacity of a website, and with the software, different sort of software such as CSS and Java and MySQL. So for basically, we just need to design an approach now. Now moving forward for the project, what we need to have uh, project design. So basically, first we need to have uh, customer details. For example, like for making a website, we need to have uh, services what we can provide, which will be shown in the results part, and followed up by you can see the different technologies we have used: HTML, PHP, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, CSS, etc. And now the result would be who are the people who's been suffered. This will be known from the first one which the customer has been entered. So followed up by final results. Now one of my team member, BJ, will take over from here. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammed. Hi, everyone. This is Bizain. I'll be explaining you about the final results of our project. So here are a few of the screenshots that we can find here regarding the final results. So this is the main site. This is the user login. This is the user dashboard. This one is the admin login, admin dashboard, and this one is the database design. So moving forward, I'll be just explaining you the live with the live demonstration. So let's move on with the live demonstration. So here, this one is the website that the customer at the first they will land on this website. So this website will providing the information like how this the platform will work. So what are the services we provide? So basically, when they go on the services, so they will find different services over here. So I'll be just going through one of these services. So we have here health, fitness. Similarly, we have some other services over here. So I'll be just explaining the nutrition part here. So user will select the options. So then when they just select the options, they'll just click on submit. So they'll just find the results. So what's the result? And they can evaluate again. So moving forward, they can have the login to their portal. So for this one, they'll just click on the login and they'll just provide their login details, then they'll just click on login. So this is the main profile. If they want to make some modifications, so they can make some edit over here. Similarly, we can find here feedback. So if we need to give some feedback to the admin, so we can just write the feedback, attach the screenshot, and just send to them. So similarly, the notifications, like the it's here we can find the admin sent the message. So all the notification that we can have a look over here. Similarly, the messages that were sent from the admin or the other user, we can find it over here. So from here, we can have a look like user send the admin send the message as thank you. So similarly, we can find the list of the services over here as well. And we have a one feature over here like ask a question. So when the user they ask a questions, so later on the admin they can just reply to the questions. They can answer those questions that have been asked by the user. So moving forward for the main admin part, I would like to pass over to my friend Mohammed.
Yes, thank you, Vijay. So if you want to go for admin one, yeah. So this one, once you get, I'll just go through. Like this is the admin login page. Once you get admin password entered, and this sites look like this one. So here you can see how many users are using the website, what are the feedback sent by the users, notification, deleted user, how if the if someone deleted the user login details from the website, you can be seen here. And these are the all new four services which has been mentioned. Like if someone enter this this services, it would be 1 2 3 4 like 5. So now moving forward, it's like this one, manage user, how many users are using the website, you will get to know here. And if you go more forward, it's like this is our username and password. So now if you go to the feedback, now what are the users and how the users are giving you the feedback, and what's the attachment you can find here, what one of my team member explained earlier. Now moving forward to the notification, what would be notification from the user is being given, so you can just see it over here. Now if you click on delete the user, how many users has been deleted the website, the email ID from the website. So you can download the user list as well here, or to have a reference of what are the users and what you what are the users using, and how many users are using the website. And these are all the services part, like what would be the result if you enter, like for example health and fitness, this email ID got this result, so you will get to know over here. Then now at the last part, what would the question asked through this email, what is the question and what you will provide the answer and what the action you have taken. So you might be looking after this all as an admin page. So now moving forward, I will just pass it on to backend team. Mehdi, you can take it over from here. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammed. This is Mandy, and we are like three members in the backend team. It's Vishnu, Ashmita, and me. So we have just divided some of the parts, and so I'll be discussing about the change password, feedback, and logout. So first of all, change password. We'll discuss about the change password. Is if there's some user or they forgot to like the ID details and something, so they can change their password over here. So for that we have like coding over here. You can see that. So the session starts from here, and yeah, so it shows like the coding starts from PHP, the session start, and then the array runs over there. So it's like if and if not there. So the session start will use cookies, and the session start get cookie params, and the coding starts with like this. And then I'll just hand over to the Ashmita.
Yeah, thank you, my friend Mehendi. So yeah, so I'm talking about the well-being category. So in well-being category, it's most of the we asking the questions, and then we get different answers for the questions what we ask. So as we can see in here, those questions are how often can you commit to focusing on your well-being and happiness, and we get different answer for that. So we get, if they keep asking daily, they get daily access, and if they ask a couple of times a week, they get uh, the input for their own questions. I'm going to the well-being results. So in well-being results, these are the results that we get. We get different results in here, and yeah. So in case in here, like if you can't log in, you enter your username or and send a link to your email address, and then you get the email address from your link, and then reset your password and log in back again. There's a rest category. So in rest, as same they it
and from user, and it's for so when user gives its information, the line number 27 will get executed. So when it matches with the information which is already there in the database, it allows the user to get into the system, and If it not matches, it actually takes them to this one, which the line on 22, which actually shows that it's an invalid information. That message will be displayed on the screen if the information which the user has given is wrong.
Yeah, yes, Mohammed. Could you please show the PPT slides? Yeah. So I was doing showing the comparative analysis over here. Like we can see the website gives various functions to the users. Like some of the functions are like sign up and sign in functionalities and are provided in this website. And rest and relaxation schedule is given in the website, which is very helpful for the patients. And like there are some limitations and conclusion as well. So this website has been designed successfully for the healthcare sector. There is a limitation in this website that user cannot sign up with mobile number. Yeah, so the agile software development has begin used in the website design. So I'll just pass over to the next guy. Yeah.
Ashmita, can you take over?
Yeah, Asmita.
Yeah. So the creativitiness in our website is that the web pages that we have included in the website are very effective and very simple, and the simple design approaches are utilized by the developers to design the website, and the website design is unique and very effective. Thank you. I would like to pass to my friend.
Vishnu.
Yeah. So basically, our website's motive is to monitor patients' health and provide them a better solution so they can live a very healthy and happy life. And we also provide the scale of also in our websites, all the nutrition which is needed for the patients is also provided. And yeah, in the conclusion, what we like to say is our aim is to build the trust for all the organization who are searching for these type of service, and we provide them all together to them. Thank you. And this is